Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that actually matter: an active Wi-Fi or mobile connection, and at least 10% battery so processes can complete. Once done, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode to reset radios. This clears transient network faults. Make sure your device clock and time zone are set to network-provided values, because Play Store rejects requests when timestamps are inconsistent. These steps are quick fixes that remove most simple connection errors before deeper troubleshooting. Next, fix app-level problems that block connections. You'll clear cache and storage for Google Play Store and Google Play services. This removes corrupted temporary files that cause errors. Then force stop both apps and reboot the device to ensure clean restarts. If you still see errors, remove your Google account in Settings, reboot, and re-add it so authentication tokens refresh. These steps address permission, token, and file corruption issues that simple restarts don't resolve. Finally, handle remaining network or system-level causes. Try a different Wi-Fi or use mobile data. If DNS is the issue, set a manual DNS such as 8.8.8.8. If Play Store itself misbehaves, uninstall updates to revert to factory Play Store, then update Play services to the latest version. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. If problems persist after these steps, one key troubleshooting tip: test another Google.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.